You have to stand on observation decks if you're a human. The birds non-stop tweeting. The house right there, which is cool. If I was a bird, I totally want to live here. Here, I found a couple wild creatures right here.
How is it?
Watch as the human picks at the hair.
No dandruff or anything. When you get to the front.
This is a cleaning ritual by most animals to show bonding. Be quiet because they're known to be aggressive if you provoke. So we're going to stand back just a little bit. Watch as the mother bird, the dominant creature, cleans out the subservient one.
Chloe! I hope she's not looking through my hair with that. It's not all natural.
Watch as she talks. This language she speaks. It's a very rare sound. The only species on Earth that could both be shrilling and annoying at the same time.
Do you guys think there's animals in there? Other than birds and foxes? So you can tell. We saw one on the floor.
This bird is very rare to be quiet, so embrace this moment. It's very valuable.
His son cannot make it.
This bird is known to be the loudest and most annoying, irritating voice ever to come from this throat. We're going to stand back just a little bit further from this creature. You don't want to risk any aggression, surprise attacks.
Okay, let's hit the beach.
She's moving! Ah! She must have heard us. Stay still. Stay very still. No eye contact.
You ready? You ready, B?
The wild of the forest. Controlled by me. I brought you here,
Is it really that good?
and only I can take you out. I bring you the inside scoop on the life
You guys want to see it?
of the rainforest and the creatures.